today. It's Friday Arvo, sunset was rad. We just flew the drone up, that was pretty cool. Got some footage. Now we're heading out to an event called Downshift. Everyone will know it. If you don't know it, then yeah, well, you're probably not entrenched in the car scene that much. Downshift is massive. It's a Friday night gig at Beenleigh, Logan kind of side of town in Queensland, and let's go have a look, see what it's like. Beenleigh Showgrounds, we're back. We were only here the other day for Eliminators hot rod show. Now we're back here for Downshift tonight. It's empty at the moment, but it is only 5:45 or 6 o'clock. We're way early. Quality. Nice 35 GDR and a V8 something in a 180. Smirk. How's that?
That's where the harder you can't. Yeah. Safer.
Big feet on the back of that thing. There's no secrets what that thing's built for.
Yeah, someone do it. Go for it.
sleeper. How's that? No tripod. Two steps begun over in the horizon. Don't know if you can hear that. Two step. Certainly bringing the numbers. Nice Gen 1 Commodore just rolled in. Chloe.
And I was like,
That's almost a wrap. Beenleigh Showgrounds was full to the brim. We got the drone up a couple times, show you the crowds. It was huge, this place was bursting. But it's thinning out real quick and cops are getting rowdy. So we're gonna get out of here before the cops get us or get someone. The old Colonel, my mate. Skid crew. Leaving strong. There'll be burnouts here, I can guarantee you. Some toughies in here, but there's some real shit boxes too. This will be interesting. This is what fucks a car scene, ready? Skidders for the win. I'm just trying to eat my KFC. That's all I want to do. Skids. Ah! Tano's towing service. Yo, what up? So I just realised I didn't do an outro from Downshift Meet last night. It all fizzled out pretty quick and everyone started leaving quickly and cars were leaving rowdy, even though Richard asked everyone not to. The event organisers said take it easy on the way out. It's a bit disappointing that everyone was doing burnouts on the way out and shit. Anyway, got a heap of photos, 391 photos just to give you an idea of where I'm at. So, a ton of photos to edit, heap of drone footage. I don't know if you can see this on the camera. Ginormous. So there's going to be a YouTube edit on Downshift Beenleigh Meet. I can't believe how full it was. It was a good turnout. So yeah, that was